welcome back to part 3 of corn harvest. We are doing what we call snaplage. Some people call it earlige and other stuff. I thought I heard them stop, I didn't. Yeah, it's pretty much just a corn head off a combine hooked up to a chopper. So it's just taking the ear and it's chopping the ear up, and that's the product right there. We can only fill the chopper boxes half full because this stuff is heavier than the corn silage. There's more per ton. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Typical. That's what it looks like after the corn heads went over it. So yeah. So I guess you could say we're harvesting corn fine. We're picking corn. Now the reason we do this is because it's a lot easier during the wintertime because we don't have to grind feed as much. And it's, I don't know, it's just easier in general. We don't have room for all of our corn, I mean in a crib or a bin. We need to build a new bin. Pretty badly. Probably like a 10,000 bushel bin, but yeah. I am running the versatile. Today it's just me and Dad hauling because we're not moving as fast as you are with, well, you're not hauling as much as you are with corn silage. So I mean, it takes a lot longer to get a load. And we're not even filling them up all the way because this stuff's heavy, it's wet. So yeah, it's Saturday, October, what is it, 12th, National Farmers Day. If you don't follow my Instagram, you should go follow that. I just posted a picture on there. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I don't know, I think we're gonna do this whole field, what's left of it. It's like, I don't know, 17 acres or so. Probably more like 15 because we took the headlands off. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Dad just said we almost need a third wagon. I got my headset on so you can't hear my walkie-talkie app anymore, so yeah. So what's going on today? Or if we do it like Ron from Hearts and Family Farms calls it, earlige. And we got the same chopper box too, so yeah. All for now. Alright, welcome back to Turner Farms, ladies and gentlemen. Today is October, let me think, Sunday the 13th. Too bad it wasn't Friday the 13th. Anyway, it's October 13th. And, doing silage down to my uncle's now, Dad's cousin. He goes Brant over there. That corn crib there we might be potentially getting. Which I don't know why not just build a grain bin like that? Whatever. He just get hurt. So we're using an egg bag here as a wall. There's only 3 walls here. And yeah. So this is the dairy farm. There's our semi. And an old night chop box. But yep. I think I'm gonna be going here pretty shortly. I'm in the versatile with the Myers again. So yeah, let's get moving. Back at this again. Yep, this is always fun doing this job. This part of the field isn't yielding nearly as well. Stuff I just came out of, you can't see anywhere else except for in front and behind you. It's corn so tall. Not here though. So just an FYI now, this video isn't going to be the longest because I don't have much room on my phone and I need to take care of that. So yeah, it is getting hot in here. Alright, the corn's starting to get better. This is dairyland. I don't know if it's the same as ours or what, but I don't know. That's dairyland, that's all I know, and it's doing pretty good. And I'm trying not to hit the back of the cloth, so I am getting close. See, it's got 4 rack of weights on the front of it, so if you do hit it, it's not a big deal. I mean, you just gotta stop Yeah, I'd open a window. Oh, it's hot in here, so yeah. Good stuff. Look how tall this stuff is. Jeez. Give me some silage here. I can tell you that now. We're almost to the end. The trees are right there. So, yep. Any day now. Well, for now, I guess. Alright, we are done with corn silage here. As you can see, there's quite a mound back there. I already emptied mine out, but I gotta clean the front out. Brant's gonna empty his out and clean the front out. So, yeah. I have to turn my hazards off now, finally. No more ticking. Chopper's making its way back. And just FYI, that wasn't my dad, and the 2+2 was my Uncle Ben, so. Yeah, I gotta get the PTO hooked up on here. Yeah. Watch Brant dump a little bit. Yep, I'm gonna put you away for now. Do the end of the video later. Well, I guess it's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Take care, take it easy. And I'll talk to you all later. Quite the pile, that's one. They got the other bunker filled up over there, but gotta do one more after this. Not today though, probably. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Alright, back at it again. The chopper broke down, broke the hydraulic hose. And want to help the neighbor with beans, move some grain carts around for him. Now we're back in action. This is gonna be my, what is it, my fourth load for the day. Second for after the breakdown. Yeah. It's past lunch. Well, it is about lunchtime right now. I'm attempting not to run over that many corn stalks, but I'm gonna put you down because I don't want to get distracted. I'm trying not to run over as much corn stalks as possible. So yeah. Alright, there's Brant over there. Say hi, Leo. There goes Dad of his full load. Not really a full load, it's half load, but this stuff is heavier than corn silage, so full load. There's Brant, he's gonna do his do-bob, thingamabob. I don't know if I'm gonna be in his way. I might be. We'll just reverse again into the trees. That'd be a good idea. That's exactly where this chop box needs to go, into the trees. Good enough. Only real men can drive a Massey, Brant says. I don't know if that's true or not, but I drove that way before he ever did. That was the first tractor I drove on. For this, anyway. Yep. Let's follow them. Why don't we, Leo?
Yeah.
We're trying not to run over as many corn stalks as possible because we like to chop this up for bedding, if possible. Not right now, probably, but once it dries out, because it's still pretty green. But yep. So we're doing here today, Saturday the 12th of October, National Farmers Day. I'm gonna shift down. Hey, yep, it's a John Deere header on the Kloss Jaguar. 870 Speedstar. You thinking about going ride with your dad, Leo?
No.
You don't want to go ride with your dad in the chopper? You're gonna ride with me. All for now, until I find something else interesting. There they go! Woohoo! Alright, this is all gonna be good. This is all the footage I'm gonna get from in the field, so meet you back at the pit, I guess. Alright, this is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching, take care, take it easy, and thanks for watching part 3 of corn harvest in Wisconsin on Turner Farms. We'll talk to you all later. I am currently dumping my second to last load of this stuff. And it's snowing. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Take care. Take it easy. And talk to you all later. Bye for now.